there viewers, welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. While intermittent fasting is associated with many positive health outcomes such as weight loss, blood sugar control, improved cholesterol levels, and decreased inflammation, you can only attain these benefits if you follow this dieting approach correctly. That's why you must check out important intermittent fasting rules. Here are the top 7 rules you must not ignore. Number 1. Let your body adjust to intermittent fasting. You must allow your body to adapt to the new eating routine. This means you need to start slowly because intermittent fasting brings a drastic change in your overall lifestyle and diet. For intermittent fasting schedules, in which you are required to avoid eating anything for prolonged hours, this rule is fundamental. If you go overboard with fasting duration just because you want to lose weight quickly, this can cause numerous side effects and may hinder the positive impact of this diet approach. Have you ever tried intermittent fasting? Let us know your experience in the comment section below. 2. Keep yourself hydrated. Our body comprises 60% of water, so staying hydrated is a definite must. There are many benefits of staying hydrated and drinking plenty of water, especially when you're following intermittent fasting. You can expect glowing skin, body cleansing, and a boost in energy when you drink water. Moreover, it also reduces hunger pangs because water acts as a natural appetite suppressant. So a glass of water when you're fasting can help you curb hunger. Let's talk about the third rule, but before that, subscribe to our channel if you're getting value from this video so far. Number 3. Don't change your fasting routine abruptly. Sudden changes, such as switching from 8 to 16 hours long fast and 8 hours eating window may cause headaches, dizziness, fatigue, and make you hungry too often. We cannot stress enough on starting with a lower duration, such as 8 hours fasting and increasing the time by 1 hour only when you feel your body has adjusted well to the routine. This could take 1 week or an entire month. It all depends upon your body's adaptability. If you follow this rule, you can easily minimize the potential side effects of intermittent fasting and keep track of how your body reacts. Number 4. Never break your fast quickly. People usually make this mistake and gain weight while they should be losing it through intermittent fasting. They try to eat a lot, considering that they have a limited time to eat before they resume fasting. You may also feel this urge to eat as much as you can. This can affect your weight loss goals. It is essential to control the amount of food you eat right after breaking the fast. Ideally, you should break your fast with something highly nutritious but not too heavy on your digestive system. A watermelon is a great option. You can even make yourself a bowl of oatmeal porridge or simply make a healthy smoothie with fresh fruits and Greek yogurt. The point is not to dive into a high-calorie meal right away. Number 5. Don't overexert your body. When you're fasting, your body will undergo numerous changes and phases. While you may not realize it, but it would be a crucial and stressful time for your body. So, it is your responsibility to take care of it. During fasting hours, your body quickly loses many essential nutrients as well as experiences a reduction in energy levels, which otherwise it quickly acquires through your daily meals. You must try not to overexert your body when you are on a fast, as you may feel exhausted soon, which could sabotage your intermittent fasting goals. We aren't saying that you should stop working out or stay at home when fasting, because this would do more harm than good. Just be mindful of how much activity your body can conveniently endure and don't try to push yourself too hard. Listen to your body and follow a realistic fasting routine. Number 6. Avoid artificial juices, sodas, and zero-calorie drinks. When we say keep yourself hydrated, you should drink plenty of water and not consume unhealthy, overly processed beverages. Low-calorie or zero-calorie drinks are marketed as the perfect companion for those following a strict diet plan, but that's just a hoax. Many beginner intermittent fasting enthusiasts often feel confused about whether they can drink a diet soda with 0 calories. The right answer to this query is that you shouldn't do that. Stay away from diet sodas and artificial drinks during and even after breaking the fast. Research suggests that consuming artificial sweeteners can force you to eat more as they tend to make you feel hungry. In addition to that, drinks made with artificial sweeteners can be detrimental to your health, as these can negatively affect your body's insulin response, gut bacteria, and blood sugar levels. You might want to know which drinks are the safest to consume during a fast. Well, you should stick to water, black coffee, and plain tea. Number 7. Keep reviewing your diet. Another important rule is that you should keep reviewing your diet and include all necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Otherwise, you may develop a nutrition deficiency after some time. Intermittent fasting doesn't mean you need to limit your food options, but limit the frequency of meals. It is all about when you eat rather than what you eat. But this doesn't mean you can eat whatever you like, such as high-calorie foods or sugary desserts. It means you should ensure your body receives all the necessary nutrients. Reducing the amount of protein in your diet will definitely impact your muscle mass and cellular activity. That's just one example. Limiting calcium would affect your bones, and preferring artificial juices over water and fresh juices would make you gain more weight. So a general rule of thumb you should follow to encourage a healthy diet is to eat whole foods, reduce the amount of sugar and saturated fat, and don't forget to include vegetables and fruits. Watch this playlist if you want to speed up your weight loss journey. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to lose weight fast.